Lagers for days. I'm pronouncing Artois wrong. Okay. Well, I won't pronounce it then. It's a good beer. Sempiternal wow. If David did it, so can you. You mean David and the Goliath? Most of the serving, it was the pelvis region. Yeah. Say Art War. Art War? I don't know, man. Art War. Oh, Stellar Art War. I have no idea. No Art War. I'm dead. Quick, drink. Crap. Yep, I knew she was gonna do it. Google Translate it later. Yeah, I think I might. Perfect. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh my god, yes. Willy Wonka chocolates. Oh yeah. It has to have nerds in it. Yeah, oh my god, you got it. Artois. Artois. I'm just gonna give up. I'm super bad at other country accents. Yeah, if it's Willy Wonka chocolate, it's gotta have nerds in it. Nerds and chocolate, damn. Even like, you're saying it right now. Okay, awesome. Well done. Thank you. Ah, 577. Shit. Alright. This guy reminds me of something from Final Fantasy, one of the games, like a big Omega weapon or something. Or Omega weapon. But he don't move like one. That staff or axe that he's holding, I'm going to stick it up his butt. Or he can stick it up his own butt. Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm dead. No. Boss cutscenes only happen in Bloodborne for the first meeting, unlike this. Sounds like a heart attack waiting to happen. Nerds and chocolate. It only happens for this fight. Wrecked. Yeah man, I get wrecked hardcore. Ah, that's another one. Yeah, Nito was a lot easier for me than this guy. He was quite a fair bit easier. ONS and Artorias and this guy are probably my most struggled bosses. I one-shotted the weird face guy and the gaping dragon. Oh no! Someone raid his house and drop that halberd. Failbird. Catch you later, Gray. Have a good one, man. And good luck, mate. Good luck. Remember, they offered you. The weird face guy. Yeah, it's like it's meant to be a boss, but you know, and they shoot those bigger, I don't know, it's like, you could call them mini suns. And they go pretty much straight through you. Ah, yeah. No worries, Grey. Have I fought Calamite? No. And I'm not really looking forward to it. Shit, she's gonna kill me. Or not. Success. Also, one-shotted in the Souls community generally means killing it in one hit. First by being beaten the boss in one try. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much what I mean by one shot is I killed that face boss and the Gaping Dragon in one try. Not one hit. Yeah, Solia killed me a few times. Oh god, now we're gonna start. You can't even die to Pinwheel. They didn't even program the death animations for the fight. Really? Wow, that's different. I know Banzi. Banzi's just sitting there the whole time watching me, shaking his head, just thinking, God, this noob. Oh, I'm doing... Oh, crap. He just flattens me. Oh no. Shit. Oh, why didn't I dodge? Oh my god. No. Pygmies. Oh, why is he doing this again? Really? This guy reminds me a bit of Rom. Oh my god, I'm fucking dead. Maybe. Yeah. If I got a shot of vodka for every time you get hit because of your weapon, I would be rich by now. Rich or drunk or dead. Why not both? We're talking free vodka. Press F. Probably won't. I don't know what it does. You can't kill yourself with vodka? You probably could if you had really bad alcohol poisoning. I'm definitely not doing old F4. Oldest trick in the books. Alright, I'll press F. Let's see. Okay, I was pressing F. A friend of mine got into a coma for a week. Holy crap. Alcohol poisoning is a very real danger. Oh, indeed. Yeah, I'm lucky I don't. I probably only drink like in Christmas, and that's about it. Hold F4 and delete system 32. Yeah, nah. Coma was half a bottle. She was 14. Holy shit. That's pretty bad. That means you have a problem. No 14-year-old should be getting drunk. That's crazy. Oh my god. Holy shit. For real. That skill. Damn. High five. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh, not again. Do your drinking before the age of 25, then be done with getting wasted. Yeah, true that. I only recently turned 30 and I didn't get drunk or nothing for it. I had a nice dinner and yeah, spent time with Mia. Hey, hello cows. How's it going, man? Welcome back. Manus hype. Yeah, if you're gonna drink, just do it responsibly. Or if you're gonna get wasted, at least do it in the comfort of your own home, you know? So nothing too bad can happen, as long as someone's watching you, you know, or with you. But it's still not a good thing to do, especially at a young age, because it can screw with your body before you even get old, and your mind. Oh man. Life tips with Sam. I've just been around a few people who have done made some stupid decisions, that's all. And now they're paying for it big time.